Hello there. Today we are going to solve the remaining parts of our lesson. Chapter number 4 from our mathematics books for class 5, parts and wholes. On page number 70, we have very special question, and that is about Rahim's journey. Question number 1. Rahim has to travel 1/4 kilometer to reach school. What distance does he travel to go to school and come back home? So how much distance does he take in making to and fro, for going and for coming? So he has to travel 1/4 kilometer for going to school. Again, he will come back home. That means what will be the total distance he will cover? You have to find out the total distance. So this is very easy to understand and to calculate. First, you will write solution, then to reach school. To reach school, Rahim has to travel 1/4 kilometer. That is equal to 5/4 kilometer, okay? So how I got this 5/4? 5 upon 4. So this number or such number is called mixed number. Okay, mixed number is a combination of whole number and 1/4. So how did I get this 5/4 here? 1/4 is equal, I got this 5/4. So it's very easy. This is a mixed number. Mixed number is a combination of whole number. Here is 1, or you can say natural number 1, and this is fraction. So this is a mixed fraction. So if it is mixed fraction, for calculation, you need to need to change into improper fraction. Now I have changed this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So improper fraction means it is a fraction where numerator is bigger than its denominator. So to change this mixed fraction into improper, you need to multiply these two, 4 and 1. For 1s are 4, and you will add this 1 to the product of 4 and 1, and it will become 5. So it is 5/4 kilometer. That is to reach school. Again, he will come back home. Again, from school to home, again he will cover the same distance. That is 1/4. That is 5/4 kilometer. Now, how to find out the total distance? Total distance traveled by Rahim. I think here Rahim, you have double E. Yeah, Rahim. So you will find the sum of 5/4 and 5/4 kilometer. So here this is 5. How to find the sum of two fractional number? That is, you need to understand one thing. First, you check these two denominators are equal. That means we have common denominator 4. So if the fractional number is having common denominator, you will write it once here. Okay, here is 4, therefore you will write 4 here. Then you need to add the numerator. So 5 plus 5, here is 10, and 4 is here. Now 10/4 kilometer. So 4 by kilometer. Now further you need to write this 10/4 in the simplest form. So simplest form. So how to write this in the simplest form? There is you can do one thing. This 10/4 right here. Let us write it here on the right hand side as a, can you see this? 10/4 as rough work. So Now you need to divide 10 and 4. 10 and 4 by the same factor. What is the biggest factor or the greatest common factor? You need to divide 10 by 4, 10 and 4 by the greatest common factor, that is 2. You divide 10 by 2 by the same number, okay, by 2. 2 5s are 10. Again you will divide this 4 by 2. 2 2s are 4. So what I am writing here, that is the quotient. Here you will write here 5 by 2, that is 5 by 2 kilometer, okay. Or further 5, this 5 by 2, then divide 2 2s are 4 and remainder is 1. So you can now, this is 2, write down 2, and this here 2, and this remainder will be written here. So 2.5 kilometer, okay. So distance traveled by Rahim is 1/2 kilometer. I think you understood this. Latha bought a pencil and a pen for 7.5 rupees. That means the cost of pen and pencil is only rupees half, 7.5 rupees, okay. 7.5 rupees means 7 rupees 50 paise. She gave rupees 10. Now Latha didn't have 7.5 rupee or with her. She has only 10 rupee note. Now the shopkeeper gave back the money in half and quarter rupees. So how much amount is or has returned by shopkeeper is not mentioned here. How much money did the shopkeeper return back or return is not mentioned here. Only what is mentioned here, it is mentioned that the shopkeeper gave back the money in half and quarter rupees. Half means half of rupee, that means 50 paise. Means shopkeeper gave Latha a number of coins, that is 50 paise coins and quarter rupees. The cost of the pen and pencil is rupees 7 1/2. 7 1/2 means 7 rupees 50 paise. Money given by Latha to the shopkeeper is equal to rupees 10. So shopkeeper gave back the money. So how much money did shopkeeper give back? That is equal to 10 rupees minus 7 rupees 50 paise. So if you subtract 7 rupees 50 paise from 10 rupees, you will get 2 rupees 50 paise. So how? Now I want to show you here. This is 10. How to subtract 7 rupees 50 paise from 10? So you will write like this. Here put the point here and write 2 zeros on the right hand side. Okay. Then you will write this 7 here and you will put the point again and this 50. Sometimes this 0 is not written, okay. It is not necessary to write the 0 also here. But for better understanding, you write down 0. Then if you subtract 0 and here it will be 5 and here it will be 2. That means 2 rupees 50 paise. So we got 2 rupees 50 paise. This 2 rupees 50 paise is the amount given back to Latha by the shopkeeper. Hence, over here, shopkeeper can return as rupees 2.50 in the following way. So what is the coin? So how many? This is the 3 half rupees coins and 4 quarter rupee coins. So in this 3 half rupees means 3 into